back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing the storage bins behind me. They are by this brand right here, and this is the manual that it comes with to show you how to put them together. Let's go ahead and get right into this, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. And all you're going to do is lift this up just like this. These are great for kids' room. And what I like about this is it does have these little doors right here that you can use to open and close it. So what it shows is this goes on top. Seal it like that. So you're going to actually push this right here, and then you're going to go over, and that's going to latch right there. So you can take this top piece off. It's like a lid, so as you can see. Now that part will come off if you want to. So just like that. Then you have this part right here, which is this. We'll go like this right here. So you're going to open it and close it like that. And then to open and close it, you're going to go like that. So, super easy to use. And then you're going to flip it over. And then the wheels actually go sideways right here. So it just depends on how exactly you want to use this. You can either use it this way if you want to store stuff in there like that. If you're maybe doing clothes or something like that, you can do it that way. Or you can use it this way to where you just lift up this top lid. You can use it like that and just snap it like this. And then the other one does stack. This part right here is where the wheels on the other one would actually go. So it just actually depends on how exactly you want to use it. But great for storing stuff. You can use it in your closet, and it is see-through up here so you can see exactly what's in there. I'm probably going to use this for my kids' room to store stuff underneath their bed, but really nice. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.